I know driving is a pain in the ass. I didn't know that flying would be. Oh, hey guys, or hey YouTubers, just checking out LA, or in this case, flying in LA, dudes. Totally tubular, gnarly, awesome, dude. So I'm just having fun, just checking everything out here, reconning the area for friends and all. Hey, just giving you an update. Next month, more content, more videos for you to listen and watch. So stay tuned. And as they say out here in LA and California, catch you later, dudes!